So the crypto market is down, but Terra Classic is doing much better than the rest of the crypto market. We're going to be talking about why that is, a bunch of news on Terra Classic, and much more in this video. So make sure you guys stick around till the end of the video and leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the content I'm about to give to you guys. And then also, by the way, guys, we do have a free stock with the first link in the description. You can join our free section of our private Discord with the second link in the description. With all that out of the way, let's get into our video for the day. So Terra Classic is going to be ranked number 217 in terms of market cap, and their market cap is currently sitting at about $414 million for today. The volume is sitting at about $182 million, which is up 1% over the past 24 hours, and they're currently sitting at about the 6.3 level. Now they are down about 11% today. However, that is about 5% better than Bitcoin and a whole 8% better than Ethereum. If we take a look at the rest of the crypto market right now, the global crypto market cap has gone below $1 trillion for the first time in a very long time. That is a 13% decrease over the last day. A lot of supports were broken today, and Bitcoin and Ethereum have not seen a day this bad in a very long time. You can see here it was pretty much just a steady decline too. It wasn't just a straight knife down. It was a steady decline. A lot of people liquidating their positions, most likely getting margin called. However, Terra Classic has held up a lot better than most of the crypto market, which is very beneficial to at least Terra Classic holders. But yeah, I mean, their volume is still high. We could definitely see another swing back to the upside. Overall, we have seen a pretty big decrease, but not as much as the rest of the crypto market. So that is really good to see. Now, in terms of what you should be buying, you should definitely be joining our free section of our private Discord. We just gave out an alert today. We will be giving out an alert tomorrow, and as soon as we see the best buys in the crypto market, we will be putting those in a free section as well. So if you guys want to join, you can definitely join with the second link in our description to join our free section of our private Discord. But anyways, let's talk about the news surrounding Terra Classic today. So Binance.us was slapped with a lawsuit thanks to Terra. So let's go over this. The collapse of Terra and its assets UST and Luna caused an immense damage throughout the market. While everyone associated with the project is subject to immense scrutiny and probe, crypto exchanges also had to pay a price. The world's largest crypto exchange, Binance, seems to have fallen under the radar of the regulators. Now its customers are also hitting back. Earlier today, around 2,000 investors decided to file a lawsuit against Binance's US wing, Binance.us. A class action lawsuit was filed in North Carolina. This emerged as the very first US-based court filing against Terra. A US-based firm, Roch Friedman LLP, is reportedly overseeing the case. So basically, investors are trying to sue whoever in order to get some of their investments back, from Terraform Labs to Do Kwon and now Binance. So this is something that's new and I want to go over it. In the 72-page long lawsuit, the investors allege that Binance misled investors regarding Terra. False marketing took the front stage as the primary reason for investors losing out on funds. The fact that Luna veered close to zero came as a shock to many. Binance.us was called out for promoting the sale of the stablecoin and carrying out airdrops of assets that were designed to increase trading volume, and basically furthering the collapse of Terra and its ecosystem. The entire world witnessed the demise of Terra. The depegging of its algorithmic stablecoin UST acted as the catalyst for the collapse of the network. Now, if there were things that made UST collapse that were possibly carried out by Do Kwon and team, that's a possibility. This is all alleged, however. The magnitude of the crash was so extensive that an array of investors spoke about how they were suicidal and broke. Now, we don't really want to talk about that part because by the way, guys, never put so much money into one single asset that if it went to zero, your life would pretty much be over in terms of everything that you've built up. Never do that. I want to make sure that you guys know that. And hopefully you guys didn't have a ton of money in Terra. But yeah, let's talk about whether or not Binance.us was violating US security laws. After Terra investors from South Korea hit Do Kwon with a lawsuit, exchanges across the globe globe expected legal altercations against them. However, Binance would certainly be caught off guard as it was also accused of not being registered. Basically, Binance's US business model is premised on illegally enabling sales of unregistered securities to as many US investors as possible, as often as possible. Now, this is all alleged. I do want to make sure that you guys know this, but basically, they say that all these different cryptocurrencies that Binance actually sells are not going to be registered with the SEC and therefore should not be being traded on Binance in the United States. So that's kind of what they are saying about Binance, and that is going to be the 72-page long lawsuit going against them. But anyways, that's pretty much going to be it for the Binance lawsuit. Also, we do want to mention, I'm going to be going over this in the next video today, but did Do Kwon manipulate Terra's proposal using 20 million Luna wallets? So if you guys don't know, Twitter user Fatman surfaced a few pieces of evidence showing that Do Kwon allegedly manipulated Terra proposal votes. So yeah, caught. The mystery wallet with a 20 million Luna airdrop that was voting on Do's own proposal, delegated to the North Star, insider trading, Astro, etc. It is officially confirmed that it is belongs to Do Kwon himself. I'm not sure who officially basically docks this wallet, but I do want to say that this is alleged. I have not confirmed it on my side yet, but if this is true, basically Do Kwon shoehorned his proposal in by airdropping himself Luna. That is the alleged allegation. So if that is the case, Do Kwon is being very disingenuous, but however, we do not know for sure, so let's not get too hasty. But anyways, let's talk about the technical analysis of Lunc. So obviously we broke below our support here at the 65 with the whole crash that we have seen, and it now looks like our resistance is going to be at the 65 just because once you break a support, it usually becomes your new resistance, and we got all the way down to about the 58 level before bouncing back up and having a bit of a recovery here. However, it's going to be a tough task to get back above the 65, especially with all this bearish movement going on in the crypto market. However, it has reset our RSI and we are now sitting at a 50 RSI. The MACD is now trending upwards, and we are seeing a bit of a bull flag. So we could possibly get back above this support and then make support again above the 65, but we'll have to see what does happen in the crypto market and if we get some more bullish sentiment in the market. However, Lunc is definitely doing much better than the rest of the market, so that is really good to see. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe, and make sure you get your free stock with the first link in the description. Join our free section of our private Discord with the second link in the description. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.